Bonjour. I am Prof. Freideb, a management consultant and a logistics specialist who is ready to streamline your operations. I am well versed in onshore and offshore construction projects for oil and petrochemicals. I used to work for Brown & Root International before, working for onshore and offshore fabrication yard, working as a project material coordinator, serving under the Upper Zakum oil field projects. I have worked also for Shell and Petrochemical Company, SADAF, which is based in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Jubail. I am a management consultant for more than 20 years, working also as a trainer and an OD practitioner. I hold a postgraduate diploma in supply chain management, major in logistics and purchasing, achieved from the De La Salle College of St. Benilde. I finished also my Master in Business Administration from the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila University. Thank you very much and shukran. For collaboration, partnership, and employment, I am accepting domestic and offshore projects. Please see the link below. Shukran again.